ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षमान्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। You can repeat after me. Ayun Rilak Eong Ayouch Hayavarat Lan Nyamanganam Jabhai Ghadadash Jabagadadash Khapachatatha chatatau Kapai Shashasar Hal. Okay, we don't know what is this. We'll learn later. Just keep chanting that every class till you get that to memory. Now you can repeat after me. First we'll chant the Pullinga, then Strilinga. Ramaha Ramo Ramaha
Ramaha Ramaha
Harihi Hari Harayaha
Harihi Harayaha
Guru Guravaha
Guravaha
Pita Pitarau Pitaraha Karta Kartaro Kartaraha. Up to the it is proper noun. Now pronouns. Eshaha Eto Ete Ayam Imau Ime Saha Tau Te Kaha Kau Ke. Then similarly for the Strilinga. Can you see the Strilinga? Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Rama Rame Ramaha
Rama Rame Ramaha
Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyah.
Nadi,
नद्यो
Nadyo,
नद्यः
Nadyah,
Matihi, Mati, Matayah.
मतिः
Matihi,
मति
Matayah.
मतयः.
After that, pronoun starts. But in the last class, we saw two more shabdas. It is not included here. But you remember that? Mati after Mati. We saw
धेनुः
Dhenu.
yeah
And Vadu also. Vadhu.
Vadhu.
yes
Vadhu.
yes
So that also can be included. Dhenu. It is, I will include later, but we can repeat after me. Dhenu is Ukara. Ukara and the Shabda, Strilinga. Dhenu, Dhenu, Dhenavaha.
Dhenu, Dhenu, Dhenavaha.
And Ukaranta, Vadu Shabda. Vaduhu, Vadvau, Vadvaha.
Vaduhu,
Vadvau Vadvah
Vaha.
Then Esha, Ete, Etaha.
Even Matru Shabdu
Ete etaः
Matra Shabda also we did.
included.
Yeah.
Guruji.
yes
Ukaranta.
Mata, Matarau, Mataraha.
Mata,
Mata, Matarau,
Mataraha.
मातारः
Okay. So Matra also done. Now pronoun. Eshaha. Sorry. Esha, Ete, Etaha.
एषा एते एताः
Iyam, Ime, Imaha.
इयम् इमे इमाः
Aha.
Sa, Tetaha.
Sa,
सा
Teta,
तेताः
Ka, Kekaha.
सा
Tita,
ताः
Okay. So Matra Shabda also we have seen. So today I think we have to see Napumsakalinga, neuter gender. So Vadhu Shabda in the last class we saw. We did some examples. Rikaranta Matra also done. Now we will take up the next gender, that is Napumsakalinga. Napumsakalinga means neuter. Napumsakalinga means neuter. So Napumsakalinga Pratipadika, that is noun basis. But also you will see it will end with the vowels, short vowels, and also, of course, consonants. Consonants are ending also are there. Anyway, anyway, consonant ending shabdas we are not seeing for any linga now. To start with, only vowel ending shabdas we are studying. Consonant ending shabda itself is a separate topic. That we will do later. Now, the vowel ending shabdas, and we have seen masculine, feminine. Now, neuter we are going to see. Napumsakalinga. And Napumsakalinga Pratipadika ends with the short vowels. A, E, U, and R. Like the masculine, like the Pullinga, it also ends with short vowels. And how do we know the gender? There is no way, I mean, there is no rule or there is no way to know it unless you know it. Unless you become familiar with the word. That is how it is. The gender as word. So you have to know the gender. So in Sanskritam, not only for seeing the meaning of the word, we refer to the dictionary, but also to know the gender. The gender also we have to refer the dictionary. So therefore, whether your word is a neuter gender word or a masculine or feminine, we can know only from the dictionary or out of familiarity. The more you become familiar with the language, you will come to know the gender. The word as gender. That's all. So now, the neuter gender words, we are going to see some words. Let us take the neuter gender word, phala. Phala is Shabda, we are taking to understand all the Akaranta Napumsakalinga Shabda. If you know one Shabda, all other Shabdas are as known. So Pala is Akaranta Shabda. So we start with Akaranta Shabda now. Later we will do Ikaranta, Ukaranta and all. So for Akaranta Shabda, we can take the Pala Shabda as the master Shabda. Pala means fruit. Pala means fruit. Pala also can mean result. Karma Pala and all we say. Karma Pala, Drishta Pala, Adrishta Pala. Pala is, could be a fruit or it could be the result. Amra Palam, mango. Panasa Palam, jackfruit. All these are Pala. Seva Palam. Right? So, Pala is a Napumsakalinga Pratipadika which ends with the letter A. Therefore, Akarantaha Napumsakalingaha Pala Shabdaha. Now the declension is different from Pullinga. Even though it is Akaranta, the declension you will see it is like a not like a Pullinga Shabda. Okay. Some more words are given here for you to understand, you to become familiar with the Napumsakalinga Shabdas. Another Shabda you can see here. Vana. Vana means forest. Vana is mean the Pratipadika which means forest. Akarantaha Napumsakalingaha Vana Shabdaha. Similarly, there are many Napumsakalinga Shabdas given here. Vahana. Vahana is vehicle. Pushpa, flower. Vastra. Vastra meaning dress. Pustaka meaning book. Griha meaning house. Do you hear some noise here on my side?
Yes,
No.
Ji.
Yes,
One minute.
Guruji.
Yes, yes.
Just a minute, please. Yes. Then the next Shabdas, next line you can see Vadana, face. Nayana, Yana, Kalatra, Dhana, Abharana, Bhushana, Nakshatra. All these are Napumsakalinga Shabdas. So many Shabdas are there. You can read. You can go through all these Shabdas and decline after I teach you the declension. Just to be familiar with these Shabdas. Okay. Jnana, Ajnana, Gotra. All these are Napumsakalinga Shabda. This is one thing. Akaranta Napumsakalinga Shabda. Then Ikaranta Napumsakalinga Shabda. Just for you to become familiar, I'm given all the other Shabdas. You can just see. Ikaranta. Vari is a Shabda. Vari means water. Vari is water. It is Ikarantaha Napumsakalingaha Vari Shabdaha. It is a Napumsakalinga Shabda, Vari Shabda. We will see the declensions later, just to be familiar. Other Ikaranta Shabdas, Dadi, Akshi, Asti. Asti means bone. Akshi means eye. Dadi is curd. All these are Ikaranta, Rasva, short E. Ikaranta Napumsakalinga Shabdas. Then Ukaranta Shabda. Ukaranta Shabda, Madhu. Madhu is U. Madhu means honey. The Shabda U. Shabda Madhu ends with the letter U. Therefore, Ukaranta Shabda. And more examples, Ashru, Astu, Svadu, Sanu, Sadhu. Many examples are there. Ashru and all. So all these are Rikaranta Shabda. Now Rikaranta Shabda, like Pitru, Matru, we saw in Strilinga, Pullinga and Strilinga. Similarly, in Napumsakalinga also we have Rikaranta Shabda. Now here you have to note, Datra, you can see Datra I'm taking as an example. Datra means the giver. If the giver is a Pullinga, then you have to decline like the Pullinga Shabda. Like Kartra Shabda we saw, Karta, Kartaro, Kartaraha. If Kartra, if similarly Datra, Kartra, Datra all belong to the same category, Rikaranta only. If Datra is Pullinga, then you have to decline like Kartra, Pullinga Shabda. If it is Napumsakalinga, the declension will be different. If it is Strilinga, again the declension will be different. Okay. Pitra is Pullinga, that is familial noun base. The declension we know, Pita, Pitaro, Pitaraha. Matra is Rikaranta Shabda, it is familial noun base, Mata, Mataro, Mataraha. And in the agent noun base, for the agent noun base, a Pratipadikam can be in any gender. For familial noun base, the agent, for the familial noun base, that has to be a particular gender. Pitra cannot be Strilinga, it is Pullinga. Matra cannot be Pullinga, it is a Strilinga only. So for familial noun base, we don't have problem. It has just a particular gender. Whereas for the agent noun base, the gender depends. The gender depends on the sentence. If the gender is a Pullinga, then it has to be declined like Kartra. So Datra to be declined like Kartra if it is Pullinga. Similarly, if it is Strilinga, the declension will be different. We will see how it is declined later for Strilinga. And in Napumsakalinga, it will be different. So Datra, as a Pratipadika, the form is same. But when you decline it, Namapadams, that is the noun forms will be different. Okay, this understand. So Rikarantaha, Napumsakalingaha, Datra Shabda. That is why we give the description of the noun base. I am going to decline the Rikaranta Shabda in what gender? But we say Napumsakalingaha iti. So therefore, the Shabda will be different. Similarly, another Shabda, Kartra. Kartra we saw in Pullinga also, but here the Kartra is Napumsakalinga. Therefore, Rikarantaha, Napumsakalingaha, Kartra Shabdaha iti. Okay. Now, this is an introduction to Napumsakalinga. We saw Akaranta, Ikaranta, then Ukaranta, Tukaranta. Now we will take up the first Shabda. That is the first type. That is Akaranta Shabda. Pala is the master Shabda we take to understand the Akaranta Napumsakalinga Shabda. If you know Pala, that is one Akaranta Shabda, all the Akaranta Napumsakalinga Shabdas are known. So therefore, let us understand the Shabda Pala. Pala is the Pratipadikam. It ends with the vowel A. Therefore, the description will be Akarantaha Napumsakalingaha Pala Shabdaha. This is the description. Now the declension, you can repeat after me, all of you. Palam, Pale, Palani.
Palam, Pale, Palani.
This is the Pratama Vibhakti, first case. Palam, Pale, Palani. Pala is a Pratipadika. And Palam, Pale, Palani is the Pratama Vibhakti forms, noun forms, Namapadam. So Palam only we have to use. You cannot say Pala because it's a Pratipadika. If it is one fruit, Palam. Two, Pale. Many, Palani. Okay, so Pala is known. Pala is palam pale palani. What happens? Pala is akaranta shabda. So the a of the shabda is replaced by Therefore, you get palam. If it is vana, it becomes vanam. If it is pustaka, it becomes pustakam. If it is netra, it becomes netram. Upanetra, upanetram. Upanetra means spectacle. And dvivachanam, the pratipadika, the a will be replaced by a. So pale, vane, pustake, netre, upanetre, sanganake, computer, 2 computers, a. Then in Bhagavachanam, the last letter A will be replaced by Ani. The last letter will be replaced by Ani. So therefore you get Palani. So Palam, Pale, Palani. Replacing the last letter by these words given a separate table here. Ye, Ani. Palam, Pale, Palani. If you remember Pala Shabda, it will be easy. Palam, Pale, Palani. Or you can remember this also, the last letter replacement. But I would prefer you to remember the Shabda, Palam, Pale, Palani. Some people have difficulty, that is why I have given this. But I will recommend you to know the Pala Shabda as such. Other Shabdas can be declined. Now, others can keep the mic in mute. The people, in the chat box, I call the names, you can read. Manjulaji, you can unmute and read. Vana is a Shabda. You can decline and you can describe and decline.
Akaranta Napunsakalinga Vana
to say with visarga, you cannot drop the visarga. Akarantaha, you have to say. Akaranta is wrong. Napumsakalingaha, you have to say.
Akarantaha Napunsakalingaha Pradhama Vibhakti. Vana
Prathama vibhaktihi.
Prathama Vibhaktihi.
Yes.
Vanam, Vane, Vanani. Akarantaha.
It's okay. Next person now. Nageshwariji.
Akarantaha Napunsakalingaha Jnana Sabdaha. Jnanam, Jnane, Jnanani.
Yeah, Jyotiji. Third one.
Akarantaha Napunsaklingaha Astra Shabdaha Prathama Vibhakti Astram Astre Astrane.
Yes, Kosalaji.
Akarantaha Napumsakalingaha Shastra Shabdaha. Shastram, Shastre, Shastrani.
Next person. Naliniji.
Akarantaha Napumsakalingaha Pushpasabdaha Prathama Vibhakti Pushpam Pushpe Pushpani.
Next one. Priyaji.
Akarantaha Napumsakalingaha Chatra Shabdaha.
Not Chatra.
Chatram.
Chatra is student. Chatra, umbrella.
Chatra. Chatram. Chatre. Chatrani.
Next person. Shrutiji.
Akarantaha Napumsakalingaha Rupa Shabdaha. Pradhama Vibhakti. Rupam, Rupe, Rupani.
Next person. Kamakshiji.
Akarantaha Napumsakalingaha Netra Shabdaha. Prathama Vibhaktihi Netram, Netre, Netrani.
Next person. Manjiriji.
Yes, Guruji. Akarantaha Napunsakalingaha Yantra Shabdaha Yantram, Yantre, Yantrani.
Next person. Mrutaji.
Yeah. Akarantaha Napunsaklingaha
Napumsakalingaha.
Napunsakalingaha Sukha Shabdaha Sukham, Sukhe, Sukhani.
Okay. Next person. Mekalaji.
नमस्ते गुरुजी। अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः
नपुंसकलिङ्गः
नपुंसकलिङ्गः सुखशब्दः
यानशब्दः
यानशब्दः प्रथमा विभक्ति यानं याने यानानि.
Okay. Yanam means vehicle.
Vehicle.
Karayanam, car. Sukham, happiness. Yantram, machine. Netram, we know, eyes. Upanetram is upanetram. Upa, spectacle. Rupam, form. Chatram, umbrella. Pushpam, flower. Shastram, scripture. Astram. Astram is that which is thrown. The missile is called Astram. Jnanam, knowledge. Vanam, forest. Simple words. Now, next person, Ram Kumarji. Udaharanam drishtva raktastanani purayata. You have to fill in the blank. See the example.
Namaste Guruji. So the first example is phala. So phalam, phale, phalani. Similarly, temana is the word. So teman, teme, temani.
Temana is a word.
Temanam, temane, temani.
Okay. Temani. Palam becomes palam, pale, palani. So temana will become
temanani.
Temanani. Temanam, temane,
temanani.
So temana is the last letter A is replace it by ani.
Right.
So temanani.
Yes.
Okay. Temana is.
What does temana mean?
Huh?
What does it mean?
Temana is something which is eatable. Temana is 1 minute. It is something eatable. Let me check that.
Edible.
Sauce actually. Yeah, it is saying sauce. Meaning is sauce. Yeah. That which is taken along with something, that is called temana. That which is, it's a side dish. Temana.
Something like pickles?
Yeah, something like pickle. Okay, next person, Mataji.
Amrita, Amritam, Amrite, Amritani.
Now back to the first person, Manjulaji. You can do the next one.
Churna Shabda, Churnam, Churne, Churnani.
Yes, churna is powder. Next person, Nageshwarji.
Yeah, Indhana. Indhanam, Indhane, Indhanani.
Indhanam means fuel. It means fuel. Could be anything, firewood, also a indhanam. Gas also indhanam. Right? Indhanam, indhane, indhanani. Next person, Jyotiji.
Kankana shabdah, kankanam, kankane, kankanani.
Kankana is bangle. So kankanam, kankane. Akarantaha, napumsakalingaha, kankana shabdaha. Next person, Kausalyaji.
Vastra, vastram, vastre, vastrani.
Yes. Next person, Naliniji.
Vyakarana, Vyakaranam, Vyakarane, Vyakaranani.
Vastra means, I think you all know the meaning. Dress, Vyakarana is grammar. Taila, next person, Vyaji.
Taila, Tailam, Taile, Tailani.
Taila means oil. Tailam. Many language, I think the word same Tailam is used. Taila. Next person, Shrutiji. Lavana means
Lavanam.
salt.
Salt. Yeah. Lavanam, lavane, lavanani.
Next person, Kamakshiji. Kshetra is
अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः क्षेत्रशब्दः
Kshetra means it's a field.
प्रथमा विभक्तिः क्षेत्रं क्षेत्रे क्षेत्राणि.
Next person, Manjari ji.
Yes, Guruji. Indriya Shabdah, Indriyam, Indraye, Indrayani.
Indriyam, Indriye.
Indriye, Indriyam, Indriye, Indriyani.
Yes, Indriya is Napumsakalinga Shabda. Next person, Amrita ji.
पात्र पात्रम पात्रे पात्रयाणि पात्राणि.
Patrani. Patra is vessel. Patra means vessel. Patra can be a character also. It depends on the context. You take the meaning. Next person.
इंद्रिय शब्दः meaning.
Indriya.
इंद्रिय शब्दः meaning.
Indriya is okay. I thought we know it. That's why skip it. Indriya means organs, sense organs. Chakshur Indriya, eye. Grana Indriya, nose. Rasana Indriya, tongue. Rasa means juice. What gives a taste? Tongue. Rasana Indriya, taste. Rasana means taste. Then Sparsha Indriya. Sparsha is touch, skin. Right? Then Netra we know. Chakshur Indriya, that is eye. All these are Panchendriyani we say. Panchendriyani, 5 sense organs. Indriyani is sense organs. Next person.
Mishtana Shabda.
Mishtana.
Mishtanam. Mishtanam, Mishtane, Mishtani.
Mishtani? How can be Mishtani? Pala becomes Palani. Mishtana becomes Mishtani.
Mishtanani. Mishtanani.
No. Pala becomes Palam. Mishtana. Pale is Mishtane. Palani will become Palani is there. Bhagavachanam of Pala Shabda. So Mishtana, what will happen?
Mishtani.
How can be Mishtani?
Sorry.
Pala becomes Palani. Mishtana becomes Pala. What happens? The last letter A is replaced by Ani.
Mishtanani.
How can be Mishtanani? Mishtanani.
Mishtanani.
Not Nani.
Nani.
You are not comparing with Pala Shabda. You compare with Pala Shabda. That's why I'm repeatedly saying. Pala becomes Palani. What happens in Palani? The last letter A is replaced by Ani. Therefore, Palani. Here also the same thing.
Mishtananani.
No, not too many nakaras. Mishtanani only. That's all. The last A is replaced by Ani. Mishtanani. That's all.
Okay.
It's okay. This is a bit confusing because so many nakaras are there. But you should say Mishtana. That at least that, but not Mishtani. The last letter here, it's not replaced by E. It's replaced by Ani. Palani, Mishtanani. Patrani, Indriyani, Mishtannani.
So the last Bahuvachanam will be Mishtananani.
Not Mishtananani. Mishtannani.
So will there be a long A? I mean after the two n's? How will we write this?
After the last, see, there is two nakaras are there. What is the last letter in the Mishtanna? The last letter is A. The A is replaced by Ani. Join this
Ani.
one.
Okay.
Mishtannani only. Okay.
Okay.
Mishtana, then ni. Otherwise, you can remember like this. The last a you extend, you make it a long one, and then add ni. Patra is there. Make it patra, and then ni, patrani. Mitra is there. Make it long, mitra, and then add ni. Mishtana is there. Make it long, mishtana, and then add ni. And then add ni. Everywhere ni, okay. Mishtanani. You get the form.
Mishtanani. Okay. Mishtanam, mishtane, mishtanani.
Yes. Next person. Ramkumarji.
What is the meaning of Mishtan?
Oh, sweet.
Sweet. Sweet.
Mishtana means sweet.
Yes, Guruji. Paniya is the Shabda. So Paniyam, Paniye, Paniyani.
Paniyam is that which is drunk. Paniya.
Right.
It could be water, it could be juice. Paniyam.
Right. Paniyam. Right.
Paniyam jalam. Potable water. Pine ka pani. That's the meaning.
Right.
Paniya jalam.
Drinkable water. Right.
Drinkable, yes. Next person. Lataji.
Om Guruji, I have a doubt. This is like this shabda that we see Indriya and Paniya. So Indriya ends in Indriyani, whereas Paniya, it ends in Paniyani.
Okay.
So is there a rule how we change it, or how we can come to know like whether it is going to end in a ni or a ni?
Oh. Yes, rule is there. I'm not telling the rule because it comes under grammar. So that part I'm not saying it now. We'll see that later.
Okay.
Don't worry.
But if we have a fill in the blank with the shabda ending in year, so how will we come to know that whether we have
now
to add
you can use any, no problem.
Okay.
If it's a mistake, I will correct it.
Okay, thank you.
Because that is a separate topic.
So patrani also will be na, right?
Yes.
Sorry, sir.
Yes,
Patram, patre, patrani, correct?
Yes, yes. There also will be murdanya nakara.
Okay.
You can identify the different nakara. You can call the different nakara as murdanya nakara, dantya nakara, dental nakara, or cerebral nakara.
Okay.
So it will be cerebral. Yes. Patrani will be cerebral nakara. Indriyani, cerebral nakara. Okay. Because you asked, let me tell why it is. But Indriyani, it is it's difficult. I have to tell you a lot of things to make you understand this. I think I will do it later. Okay.
Okay.
So now we are learning, just learning these simple sentences, trying to understand. So that I will tell you later. Okay, next person. Lataji. Gomaya. Gomaya, sorry, not Gomaya. Gomaya. Lataji, can you hear me? Okay. Next person can do that. Manjula ji.
Gomaya.
Yeah.
Gomayam. Gomaye. Gomayani.
Who is reading?
Manjula, Guruji.
Okay. Yeah.
Guruji, what is Ajanta Napunsakalinga? Means Ajanta, what is it?
Ajanta Napumsakalinga. Ajanta means that which ends with vowel. That is called Ajanta. Vowel ending Shabdas. Ajanta.
Okay, Guruji.
Guruji, what is Gomaya?
It's all connected to go, cow.
Okay. Gomaya.
Okay, Ajanta is vowel ending. It's called Ajanta. Halanta, consonant.
Consonant ending.
Remember the word for vowels, ach, and the word for consonants, hal, we saw in the beginning when we learned aksharas. So
Swara.
ach, yes, ach is a short term to represent all the vowels. That is what the really Ajanta, when we say ach anta, that ach, the chakara becomes jakara. Therefore Ajanta you see it. How it becomes, that's all Sandhi. That's another topic. That's all rules are there. A word becomes another word and all. That we will see all those things later. So you can understand now Ajanta is vowel ending. Alanta is consonant ending. Now, similarly, here I have given some more Shabdas. So all these are for practice. Karavela, Lochana, Katora, and all. Okay. You can practice this later. Now we'll move on. Now, demonstrative pronoun. You see, this is the order we are seeing all the Shabdas. First, we see one particular linga, one Shabda, all the this anta, different antas, and one particular Shabda for different antas or master Shabda. Then we move on to the demonstrative and interrogative pronoun. That is how we proceed. Now, for neuter gender, we have to know the demonstrative and interrogative pronouns. So, idam is a Shabda. Idam is a common, is a Pratipadikam. It depends on the linga. Depending on the linga, it is declined. In Pullinga, we saw. In Pullinga, how it is declined, idam Shabda.
Ayam imau ime.
Good. And Strilinga?
Iyam ime imaha.
Imaha. Now in Napumsakalinga, you can repeat after me. Akarantaha Napumsakalingaha idam Shabdaha.
Napumsakalingaha idam Shabdaha.
It is Makarantaha. Okay.
Yes, correct.
Makaranta. So Akaranta Napumsakalinga, we have seen Palam, Pale, Palani. Then now Makaranta. This is called Halanta, consonant ending. Idam is a Shabda ending with the consonant. Hal Anta. Anta is end. Hal is the consonant. Therefore, Halanta, consonant ending Shabdas. Now the declension of idam is idam, ime, imani.
Idam, ime, imani.
Idam means that, it means this, referring to this, something which is close. Ime refer to two things, Dvivachanam, which are close. Imani, many things. Is it close or very close?
Very close.
Very
Very
close.
close.
No, it is close, not very close. Very close is etad. That comes next. If it is very close, we use the Pratipadikam. We use the word etad.
Etad.
Okay. Now, etad. You can repeat. Dakarantaha napumsakalingaha etad shabdaha. Now you can see the commonality between all the shabdas. Palam, pale, palani. Idam, ime, imani. Now it becomes etat, ete, etani. In Dvivachanam, you can see the similarity. Ete, etani, right? Ime, imani. Similarly, pale, palani. But here you have to note the word ime occurs in Pullinga also, in Strilinga also, right? Napumsakalinga also it is there. In Pullinga, what is the Vachanam? Pratama Vibhakti, what Vachanam in Pullinga?
Bahuvachanam.
It's Bahuvachanam. And in Strilinga?
Dvivachanam.
And in Napumsakalinga, it is Dvivachanam. So depending on the context, we have to know what Vachanam is that and what Linga is that. What Vachanam and what Linga. Depending on the sentence. Similarly, here also, ete is there. Ete also you can see it is in Pullinga Bahuvachanam and Strilinga Dvivachanam. And here Napumsakalinga also it is there. The form is same. But in a sentence, depending on the context, we have to understand. Then tat shabda. You can repeat. Dakarantaha napumsakalingaha tad shabdaha.
दकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः
नपुंसकलिङ्गः तत् शब्दः
Tattetani.
तत्तेतानि
Tat means that. One, referring to one thing. Te is those two. Tani, many things. Those many. Now,
Guruji,
yeah.
1 second. It's tat shabda, takaranta, not
Yes.
dakaranta.
Dakaranta only.
Tad. It's not that tad.
That is that.
It's not tad.
It is tad only.
It's written as okay.
Where
It's
is
written
it?
as tat.
Where?
तत् एकवचन
Tat shabd.
declension.
Declension is tat only.
No, before that. Okay. Just about 5.
Above Prathama because
Yeah, that's okay. It's a mistake. I changed it. In Prathama Vibhakti Ekavacham, the form is tat. Tad also okay, but I will talk about that later. But now you remember tat. Tat is the Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Then
Guruji, it is the same word Tattvamasi, right?
yes, same. Tattva means that. Then Napumsakalinga, the Makaranta, you can do. Makarantaha, Napumsakalingaha, Kim Shabdaha.
मकारान्तः
लिङ्गः
शब्दः
Kim Ke Kani.
किं
Kani.
Okay. So now we will read this lesson. Napumsakalinga words we know. So I'll start from the beginning again. Manjulaji, you can read quickly.
पर्णं
You can decline. What do you decline? This Parnam.
पर्णं
Parnam,
मकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः पर्णं शब्दः
not Parnam. Parna Shabdaha.
अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः पर्णशब्दः पर्णं पर्णे पर्णानि.
Yes, here only the Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam is given. Parnam is there, it is not Makaranta. It is Akarantaha,
Yes,
Parna
sir.
Shabdaha. The next one also you can do. Just you can decline quickly.
Yes, Guruji. अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः फलशब्दः फलं फले फलानि.
The next one. You can read. Manjulaji.
अकारान्तः सङ्गणकम शब्दः नपुंसकलिङ्गः
Sanganaka Shabdaha.
सङ्गणकशब्दः सङ्गणकं सङ्गणके सङ्गणकानि.
Yes, next person, Nageshwarji. Second line. You can just decline the, not description is not required.
Okay. Akaranta Napunsakalinga Pustaka Sabdaha.
That's what description is not required. Pustakam, Pustake, Pustakani. Directly you can do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guruji, one doubt. Akarantah wa makarantah?
Not Makaranta, it is Akaranta only. Did anyone say Makaranta? No. If you say Makaranta, it is wrong. Okay. All the words given here are in Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. The noun forms are given here. Namapadam. So it is Akaranta only, not Makaranta. And it is given here in the top. You can see Akarantaha. Right?
Okay.
Continue, Nageshwarji.
Bartulam, Bartule, Bartulani.
It is Vartulam, not Bartulam. Va.
Vartulam, Vartule, Vartulani.
Okay.
Gruham, Gruhe, Gruhani.
Okay. Next person, Jyotiji.
सूक्ष्मदर्शकं
Ayatam is there.
आयतम् आयते आयतानि विद्युद्व्यजनं विद्युद्व्यजने विद्युद्व्यजनानि पात्रं पात्रे पात्राणि.
Yes. Vidyut means current, electricity. Vyajanam is fan. Vidyut Vyajanam, electric fan. Vidyut Golaka. Vidyut Deepa. Bulb. Electric bulb. Vidyut means a lightning. It means electricity. Vidyut Vyajanam. Next person. Kausalaji.
Guruji,
So-
ayatam means?
Square. Rectangle.
Oh.
So, name of geometrical figures. Vartulam, Ayatam and all. Kausalaji, complete.
Sukshma darshakam, sukshma darshake, sukshma darshakani.
Sukshma is which is subtle. Darshaka is which shows. Darshaka which shows. That which shows, which are subtle. Microscope. Continue.
Relayanam, relayane, relayanani.
Good.
Chatram, chatre, chatrani.
Yes. Next person. Nalini.
Mukutam, mukute, mukutani. Vadyam, vadye, vadyani. Dware, dwarani.
Dwaram, dware, dwarani. Riyaji.
Vadayanam, Vadayanam, Vadayane, Vadayanani.
Vatayanam. Okay. Vatayanam. Then next one.
Upanetram, Upanetram, Upanetre, Upanetrani. Sopanam, Sopane, Sopanani.
Good. Next person. Sutiji.
Needam, neede, needani. Panjaram, panjare, panjarani. Vimanam, vimane, vimanani.
Next person. Kamakshi.
क्रीडनकं क्रीडनके क्रीडकाणि
Kridanakani.
क्रीडनकं क्रीडनके क्रीडनकाणि करवस्त्रं करवस्त्रे करवस्त्राणि भवनं भवने भवनानि.
Yes. Manjariji.
Yes, Guruji. Doordarshanam.
Doordarshanam.
Doordarshanam. Doordarshani. Doordarshanani. Narikelam. Narikele. Narikelanani. Narikela.
Ni.
Kelani. Udyanam. Udyane. Udyanani.
Yes. Next person. Amritaji.
Kamalam, kamale, kamalani. Kankatam, kankate, kankatani. Sutram, sutre, sutrani.
Kankata is comb. Kankana is bangle. Okay. Next person.
Etad kim asti. What is this? Etad phalam asti. This is a fruit.
Now, analyze a sentence. Asti. First, when you analyze a sentence, when you take a sentence, you have to start your analysis with the Kriya Padam. Asti means we saw. Asti means what? Is. So,
what is?
Equivalent to English is. The equivalent word is. Is. Asti.
Kim is what?
Now, asti, when you say is, the question will be what is. The question will be what is there? It is. Etat. So, asti refers to, now, you answer. Asti, does it refer to one thing or many things?
One thing.
Or two things? One thing.
One thing.
Therefore, ekavachanam. Does it refer to first person, second person, or third person?
All.
No, you cannot all. First person, in English, first person is?
Third person.
Third person.
Third person.
Third person. First person is a speaker. Second person is the listener in English. and third person is the other one. Neither you nor me, somebody else. That's the third person, right? Let me use a Sanskrita word. Sanskrita, Pratama Purusha means third person. Madhyama Purusha is second person. Uttama Purusha is the first person. Okay. So now, is it Pratama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, or Uttama Purusha?
Pradama Purusha.
Pratama Purusha, not Uttama. Pratama Purusha. What Vachanam?
Pratama Purusha.
Eka Vachanam.
Vachanam.
Now you understand. Pratama Purusha means neither you nor me. That is called Pratama Purusha. Clear? It's not you. It's not me. Pratama Purusha. If it is you, Madhyama Purusha. If it is me, it is Uttama Purusha.
Uttara Purusha.
Uttama Purusha is a speaker. And Madhyama Purusha is a listener. Neither both. Pratama Purusha. That is why it's called Pratama Purusha. We give preference to the first preference of that person who is not, is neither you nor me. Pratama Purusha. It's called Pratama Purusha. It means we are showing the respect to the person who is not nearby. Is not the person listening to me, or I'm not the person. So that language itself, it conveys a certain attitude. Uttama Purusha is a speaker. The speaker should be a Uttama. He should speak the truth. That's why the speaker is called Uttama. And between the Pratama and the Uttama is the second person. That's for Madhyama. In between, Madhyama. So the words also, the words of the language, it conveys the attitude behind the language. It's a beautifully presented. Uttama. Speaker must be Uttama. It also tells the speaker must be a Uttama Purusha. It should be a virtuous person, good person, character person. So now Asti is Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam. Therefore, Etat Asti, it is. Okay. Therefore, Etat is what Purusha now? It must be Pratama Purusha. Right? Etat is Pratama Purusha or Madhyama Purusha or Uttama Purusha?
Pratama Purusha.
Pradama Purusha.
If it is Aham, it is Uttama Purusha. If it is Tvam, it is Madhyama Purusha. Can I say Aham Kim Asti?
No.
No. Because Asti is Pratama Purusha. Therefore, subject, the noun corresponding to Asti, the Kriya Padam, must be Pratama Purusha only. Clear?
Okay.
The Kriya Padam gives you a lot of information. Please note, the Kriya Padam, it tells you what Purusha is. Number one. It tells you what Vachanam is. Number two. It tells you what tense. Is it present tense or past tense or future tense? All this information, not only this, some more information that I'll tell you later. This information it gives. So, Asti, when you say, it is, therefore, the subject must be Pratama Purusha. And the subject should match with the Kriya Padam in terms of the number also. Asti is Ekavachanam. Therefore, Etat. You cannot say Ete Asti. You cannot say. You cannot say Etani Asti. Clear? So, Asti. What Asti? Etat Asti. And what is this? You're asking the question now. Kim Asti. Kim also, what Vachanam, what Vibhakti, what Purusha? Interrogative pronoun.
Kim Ekavachanam.
Kim must be Ekavachanam because Asti is there. There are not many things to ask. Only one thing is there. Therefore, Kim must be Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam.
And it is also, Kim is the Pratama Vibhakti. Therefore, Etat Kim. What is this? Between Etat and Kim, they should match in Vachanam and they should match in Vibhakti also. So, Etat is Pratama Vibhakti. Kim is also Pratama Vibhakti. Etat is Ekavachanam. Kim also Ekavachanam. So, Etat Kim Asti sentence is syntactically correct now. Correct sentence. Etat Kim Asti. Etat Palam Asti. Asti. Kim Asti? Palam Asti. So, Etat Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Palam is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Asti Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam. Right? एतत् फलम् अस्ति, एतत् कङ्कतम् अस्ति, एतत् वस्त्रम् अस्ति, एतत् उपनेत्रम् अस्ति. If it is Bahuvachanam, it's going to change. That's what the next sentence is. Right? The next person can read. Who is the next person? Who was the last person? Who was the last person read this?
Nikla.
Now, Ram Kumarji, you can read.
Yes. Ete ke staha, ete phale staha.
So, staha tells you the number. It is Pratama Purusha only, but number is 2, dual, Dvivachanam.
Okay.
So, these two, I mean, it refers to something 2. So, therefore, ete staha, these two. Ete is what vibhakti, what vachanam? Pratama vibhakti?
Dvivachanam.
Ete refers to you or me, none of us. It refers to something else. Therefore, Pratama Purusha. That is known by the Kriyapadam staha. Clear?
Right. So staha is a kriya padam, right?
Yes, yes. Asti is Kriyapadam, staha is Kriyapadam. Asti is Ekavachanam, staha is Dvivachanam. Both are Pratama Purusha. Now, Bahuvachanam comes later. Ete, ke staha, ke is interrogative. What are these two? Kim ke kani. So, you can see ete ke, these two match in vibhakti as well as vachanam.
Perfect.
And staha is Pratama Purusha because ete is Pratama Purusha, third person.
Right.
Therefore, staha. That also should match. All in the sentence, you see everything match in vachanam. Ete is Dvivachanam, ke is Dvivachanam, staha must be Dvivachanam.
Right.
Right. So, between the Kriyapadam and the subject, there must be a match in terms of number and Purusha also. Purusha also. You cannot say aham ke, you cannot use aham. I cannot say tvam because it's a different Purusha. Ete is Pratama Purusha. Sta is indicates taha says it's Pratama Purusha. Therefore, ete. Ete ke staha. What are these two? The answer is ete phale staha. These two are
fruits.
K is replaced by phale. K is Dvivachanam. Therefore, phale. The next sentence. Lataji, you can read.
Etani kani santi. Etani palani santi.
Santi is the Kriyapadam. So you can remember. Asti, staha, santi.
Santi.
Santi, it is Pratama Purusha Bhagavachanam. Therefore, etani. Therefore, etani. You can see the match. Santi, therefore, etani. Santi, can it come ete? No. If it comes ete, mismatch in number. Dvivachanam ete. So that's not a valid sentence. Kani. Kani also, Pratama Vibhakti, Bhagavachanam. Etani kani. It cannot be etani ke. That is wrong. Right? Etani ke you cannot ask. Etani kim you cannot ask. Etani says many are there. Therefore, the question interrogative must be many only. Kani only can use. Bhagavachanam. Etani kani santi. Etani. Kani is a, therefore answer will be in Bhagavachanam. The answer is pala. Therefore, Bhagavachanam we have to choose. Palam pale palani.
Palani.
Etani palani santi. Understand this?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Guruji, just I think we should keep referring to the table. That is the Bible.
Yes, yes. In the table, we will keep adding more and more words slowly.
Right.
Guruji,
Yeah.
We say that it is asti, staha, and santi.
Yeah.
So what is the auxiliary verb kind of in this?
What is the
auxiliary verb? Like in English, we say to be is am is are. So here it becomes asti, staha, santi. So what is the verb like which we are declining in this way? Asti, staha, santi.
Asti means is. That's all. Santi is are. So you're asking what verb is that?
What is the dhatu? The dhatu.
Dhatu is as dhatu.
Asta.
As.
It's difficult. The declension will be different. Not it's like we have seen so many Kriya Padams before, Kadati, Patati and all, right?
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
this is different. It's not similar.
It's
similar
not
to
a
that.
regular verb kind of.
Not a regular, comes under regular category.
Okay.
You need to know the form only. You have to.
Okay.
In the beginning, you have to memorize this. Asti, Saha, Santi.
Okay.
And for Madhyama Purusha, Uttama Purusha, it will be Asi, Staha, Sta, Asmi, Swaha, Smaha. We will see that later. Madhyama Purusha, Uttama Purusha will come later. We'll see.
So as of now, we just have to remember Asti, Staha, Santi.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Thank you.
Okay. So I think you can stop here. I hope all of you are safe.
Yes, sir.
Guruji.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, wish you the same
Wish
for
you
you.
the same, Guruji.
Yeah, we'll complete with our Shanti Pata. Om Purnamada Purnamidam
Purnamudachyate. Om
Purnasya
Purnamada
Purnamavadhaya
Vishyate.
Purnamevavashyate.
Om
Om
Shanti
Shanti
Shanti.
Harihi
Harihi Om.
Shri
Shri
Gurubhyo
Gurubhyo
Namaha.
Namaha. Harihi
Harihi
Om.
Om.
Thank you, Guruji.
Dhanyavad.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Guruji.
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 Yeah, Namaste.
धन्यवाद
Guruji.
गुरुजी
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavad. Please ask.
धन्यवाद
Yeah. Guruji, can you please give us a practice sheet for